You guys know what is PDA?
Yeah, public display of affection.
Alright. So, are you okay with a guy and a girl kissing like romantically? It's
I
just
think
sweet.
that's fine. Making out, but kissing, okay.
I think it's very creepy. Like, dude, get a room, man, please.
I don't think that. See, if someone is in love, someone is in love, like let them do.
I think it should be allowed, seriously.
It should be allowed, right? PDA should be allowed.
I mean, if you are brave enough to slaughter somebody in the middle of the street, then what is the problem in hugging and kissing somebody who is of the opposite sex? I don't think
Or
it should
what
be
if
a
the
problem.
same sex? If two guys
Doesn't
are
matter.
kissing,
Yeah.
doesn't matter, right?
It's the love that they have for each other.
ऐसे कभी हुआ है कि पीछे लड़का लड़की बैठे और चुप कर ऐसे होता है कभी?
हाँ, कभी कभी ऐसा मिल जाते हैं अचानक, तो उस पर मतलब आप वो लोग करते रहते हैं और हम अब गाड़ी चलाते रहते हैं. हमारा काम क्या है? ड्राइविंग काम है.
What is your opinion about PDA? You think it's cool?
Yes.
चलता है ना? For each their own, like जो भी करना है करो. As long as you're not like having sex.
As long as you're not watching porn in the parliament.
They can do that and we can't hold hands, na?
And then they ban porn.
And they ban porn.
If you can pee in public, why can't you kiss in public?
Fair enough.
There's a class of certain people who are, I would say, threatened by the encroaching Western civilization. At the same time, they would be happy wearing pants, shirts, everything. If you want to reject Western civilization, why don't reject all of it?
अभी यहाँ के लोग ऐसा करते ही हैं, तो अभी उस पर हम क्या बोलें? हमारी यूपी में तो ऐसा नहीं होता है.
ऐसा नहीं होता.
नहीं.
तो यूपी में प्यार कैसे जताते हैं?
वो तो सब पर्दे के पीछे रहता है.
बट यू नो आजकल बहुत लोचा हो रहा है इन आवर कंट्री. अभी मड आइलैंड में पुलिस वेंट इनटू द होटल. दे टुक आउट ऑल द कपल्स, दे बीट देम.
Yeah, beat them up.
So if you're not allowed to hold hands in public, if you go somewhere else to do stuff, you're getting beat. Is this Taliban? What's happening? Like, isn't this wrong?
I think they should protest. I mean,
Who should protest?
like the couple. That's
Yeah, we all should protest.
Yeah, we
right?
should protest with them because that's a violation of human rights, right? I mean, there's no law.
Like cheap hotels and stuff, you have to respect people's privacy. You can't go barging into doors. You think that people don't do this in top-end hotels? They just take better-looking chicks and go there.
Oh, you don't support PDA. People are spending money going inside, having sex or whatever. You are going inside there also.
Yes, inside there also.
Are we becoming Taliban, banning people from having sex altogether? Like, what is happening? Like, isn't that
मैं सिर्फ
unfair?
एक ही चीज़ बोलूँगा इसमें, अच्छे दिन आने वाले थे बस.
Namo.
I am saying on the part of police that is bullshit. Yeah, they are paying for it, right? They are paying, renting an apartment.
It's a private party, so they can do whatever they want.
I was driving alright my car and my girlfriend was sitting beside me. It was 11 o'clock. I dropped my girlfriend home and a cop came in and he tried to extort money out of me because like 11 बज गए, क्या कर रहे हो तुम? He made a very normal situation awkward. So have you encountered something like that?
At least see what your girlfriend happened to me when I was with my cousin. And he's so pure telling him like, listen, this is my brother. And he's like, everybody tells us that, bye bye. And I'm like, dude, check up blood, man, DNA.
Usually cops are not allowed to like question you beyond anything. You know, just ask why you. So he went on asking, oh, why you all here? Like he pulled down the windows. What do you all do? Why do you all come?
Yeah, that's weird that they ask such weird
And
questions.
then the minute I started speaking in Marathi, he was cool with me.
Yeah, so.
लड़की बैठा था promenade पे and this cop who comes and he's like यहाँ पर बैठ नहीं सकते, बात नहीं कर सकते. And we're not doing anything wrong. We're just talking about basic stuff. वो बात अलग है कि I was dating and when she was dating. Mom dad ने भी call नहीं किया था कि कहाँ हो करके, but वो लोग आ गए. Basically they're not happy with the salary they're getting.
One message to all the cops, if you have a message.
Mind your own business, man.
Mind your own-
Seriously.
लड़की फ्रेंड के साथ है तो वो लोग सेक्स नहीं कर रहे, पीडीए नहीं कर रहे, बातें भी कर सकते हैं. जय हिंद.
Smile more and stop scaring us.
Stop making it awkward for girls, you know, like by pulling down the window and asking cross-questioning, because this happened twice with me. So I think we should stop that. Doesn't really, it puts down your image. They should take an initiative towards not doing corruption.
Fair.
डर नहीं लगना चाहिए पुलिस. You know, police is there, safety है.
They catch you and make it awkward, so I think they should be more clear about what they should be doing.
Yeah.
So, you know, go back to the rule book and have a look again.
I don't think they have a rule book.
Keep giving me discounts. Thank you.
कोई रेप हो चुका है और आके एफआईआर उसे बनाना है तो पहले बनाओ, इन्वेस्टिगेट करो. ये मत पूछो कि कैसे किया, क्या किया.
Feeling inferior from the higher authorities, you're free to do what you're supposed to do. So don't be scared about doing the right thing. Be like Ajay Devgan.